In this lesson, I'm going to be teaching you about toolbars and menus. When you first start AutoCAD, you'll see this bar right here at the top of your screen. This is called the ribbon bar, which is a new feature to AutoCAD 2009. For the time being, we're going to turn this off. If you go down here to the bottom of your screen, you'll see this little button right here. It says Workspace Switching. Let's click that and put AutoCAD Classic. What this does is it switches you to a classic AutoCAD screen. First thing let's do is go ahead and click off this tool palette. We'll be discussing this on a later lesson. And this content search also. AutoCAD has interface elements common to other Windows applications such as toolbars and menus. If you've used other Windows applications, these user interface elements should appear familiar. You can use drop-down menus to access commands. The menus are organized into logical task groups such as File, Edit, View, Insert, so on and so on. The menus use standard Windows annotation conventions. So if you go to File and click that and go to Open, you'll see these three little dots out here beside Open. What those dots mean is it's going to open up a separate dialog box. So let's go ahead and click Open. As you can see, a dialog box appears. What this dialog box is it makes it easy for you to navigate files that you want to open. So let's go ahead and cancel that. Many menu options lead to submenus that provide further command options. So if we go to Format, Layer, Tools, you see that little black arrowhead right here? What that does is it means that there's going to be a submenu flyout, as you see here, with further command options for that command. Now we're going to talk a little bit about toolbars. As a Windows compliant software product, AutoCAD 2009 used toolbars extensively. As you can see a toolbar here on the left hand pane of your screen, each toolbar consists of a collection of tools that perform related or similar tasks. You can operate the tool by clicking the button. The icon indicates the tool's purpose. If you hover your mouse over the toolbar button, it tells you line, and it kind of gives you a little description of what the command does. By default, the standard toolbars that you see at the top of your screen here are always visible when you start AutoCAD 2009. So say you want to undock a toolbar. All you have to do is grab the top of it, drag, and pull away from the docking point. Then you can just click the X to close it. If you want to add a toolbar, just go anywhere on your screen or to a blank area like this, right click, and go to AutoCAD, and here are all your available toolbars. So say we want dimension. What it did was it put the toolbar right over here. So we could drag this toolbar and dock it anywhere on the screen. And to dock it, you just kind of drag it over to the side here and just release, and it's docked. The last thing I want to show you about toolbars is the toolbar flyout. See this button right here? It's a zoom button, but it has a little black arrow in the bottom right hand corner. By clicking that, what it does is it has a toolbar flyout which has additional options for the zoom command.